Hi there, sixth graders, it's Mrs. Eaker, and we are in our week 2 of Flight and Space. I wanted to give you a little guidance and just show you what some of your straw jets may have looked like towards the end of the week. If you haven't created this straw jet yet, don't worry, because in week 2 you create this straw jet or another straw jet. This is the one from the Project Lead the Way website. This is the one from the Google Slides. This one will help you understand the parts of an airplane a little bit better as you move along. Now, activity 1 this week will allow you to learn a little bit about engineering the right way, the Wright brothers, and you'll explore some fun interactive activities on their website and begin to play some games. In activity 2, you can test out your glider again, or like I said, create a new one. This one, you'll learn a little bit more about the airfoil or the shape of the wing. With this one, the 3 motions of an airplane are the pitch, which is, if you look at the nose of the airplane, the up and down motion. The yaw, which if you look at the wings of the airplane, are the left and right turn of your aircraft. Or the roll, which allows us to bank or turn our wings at an angle, left or right, and start to roll the fuselage or the body of our aircraft. Now, as you start to gather data, if you have everything unfolded and you only fold up the elevator, when you fly it with the elevator folded up, your aircraft should pitch up. If you fold the elevator down, your aircraft should land. If you unfold your elevator and then you start on folding your rudder, if you fold your rudder to the right, your aircraft should turn to the right on the yaw. If you fold your rudder to the left, it should turn to the left. If you unfold your rudder and your elevator and you begin to work with your ailerons, it should start to balance your airplane. Depending on how you've crafted it and put it together, it is a little tricky. When you start to fold both ailerons up, it may go up just a little bit. When you fold them both down, it may go down a little bit. If you fold one up and one down, if all goes well, you should get a nice barrel roll out of your aircraft. So hopefully this aircraft will allow you to learn a little bit better the 3 basic motions of an aircraft. Then have a little bit of fun with Google Maps and pretend you are a pilot and you're going to plan your flight. So this can be a little tricky, but as pilots, it's very important that you are looking for some checkpoints along the way to determine whether or not you're going the right direction, because everything looks pretty small and very similar unless you find some important checkpoints along the way. All right, as always, at the end of the week, please fill out your Google Form reflection. That's the most important because that determines your pass-fail grade. I hope you enjoy week 2 and have a lot of fun learning about the different motions of an airplane and flight planning. Have a wonderful week. Feel free to email me with any questions.